Good morning everyone. Good morning respected faculty. I am Suma from the branch of Data Science, Aditya Engineering College. Today my PowerPoint presentation topic is about virtual reality. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a feeling of being in imaginary world rather than the real one. Virtual reality is a computer generated simulation of three-dimensional images, objects and scenes which appear to be real and makes the user feel like they are immersed in their surroundings. And the meaning of virtual is near, and reality is what we experience as human beings. Let us know about types of virtual reality. The types of virtual reality is immersive virtual reality, non-immersive virtual reality, and window on world virtual reality. What is immersive world virtual reality? Immersion on virtual reality is a perception of being physically present in a non-physical world. The perception is created by surroundings of the user of the VR system in images, sounds, and other stimuli. The elements of the virtual environments that increase the immersiveness of the experience are continuity of the surroundings, conformance to human vision, free of movement, physical interaction, and physical feedback. Now we are going to talk about non-immersive virtual reality. It is a type of virtual reality where you can interact with the virtual environment usually through a computer. You can control the characters and the situations within the experience, but the virtual environment cannot interact with you. And window on worldwide virtual reality is a desktop based virtual reality which involves of displaying a three-dimensional virtual on a regular desktop. Let us know about the devices of the virtual reality system. The input devices of the virtual reality system are Prior Virtual Reality, Razer Hydra, Leap Motion, STEM, Magic Wand, and Control VR. These are some of the input devices of the VR system. The output devices of the VR system is headset, 3D audio, and sensing glass, and Helsinki. These are some of the output devices of the VR system. And now let us discuss about the applications of the VR system. There are many applications of the VR system, and there are many users in the worldwide of the VR, and there are estimated 171 million of VR users are present in the worldwide. And coming to applications, virtual reality is used in military for the training of the soldiers. Virtual reality is used in healthcare by the surgeons to know the steps of the surgery, and use it by the beginners to learn about the process of the surgery. Virtual reality is used in education, which makes the learning process easy and comfortable way in learning in a realistic way. Virtual reality is used by scientists for demonstrating complex ideas in a realistic way. And virtual reality in environment, for example, the virtual reality concert where you can gather and you can go to the concert live from the anywhere in the world. And these are the applications of the virtual reality. Thank you.